Okay, y'all, I wanted to talk through the setup for Project 3. Um, so on your content site, just a reminder for your pages, you're going to have a blog page and a home page. And make sure that in your settings, your home page is set to home and your post page is set to blog. So that's settings, reading. And these are all in those starter steps. And make sure you save those changes. If you've already gotten started with your latest posts being on your home page, that is okay. Just make sure to have at least another page that either is like an about or something. You need two pages, and one of them needs to have your latest posts, and one of them needs to just be built out using the page builder. Okay, another reminder is your actual posts will be here under posts, and then they'll show up either on the blog page or the home page. You won't be building them out on a page. You'll be building them here, add new post, and with the block editor adding text, images, media, etc. And then those will automatically show up where you have them set to show up. Again, either homepage or blog page. Then for each site, when you go to edit the CSS, there's a few ways to enter that. You can go to appearance, themes, and customize. And that's how you would access the editor. You also, let's say you're at this page here where it has the top bar. You can go to edit site and you're in that same editor where you're editing the pages. Reminder that whichever page is set as your post page, you have to edit through here because it's a template. Then the other page you'll edit through the page editor, which is back at your dashboard. Under pages, you would edit that front page directly. But back at the site editor, if you want to edit the CSS, you click in here. And over here, this half circle opens the styles sidebar. That's where you can change most things for the whole site and then add additional CSS here. This is where you can do things like change the color of your headers, but you can also, if you click this button and go to the live preview and inspect, you can see here in the body class for the page ID. So this page ID is 8. So if I go back here and do .page ID 8, save and preview, it's changed that one, but not this one. So the home page is the only one changed. And that is the skill that I want to see on this project. I'm also going to walk through the Google fonts real quick. These have been hit or miss. So let me know if you have issues. One that is working is Quicksand. I'm going to get font, go here to my cart, and get the embed code. This is where on this page you click import and just copy this URL. And then go back to your custom CSS and add that URL at the top. From here, we're just going to copy this line, bring that over to this H1 declaration, save it, preview it, and it changed that one header to that, but it didn't change any other H1. So that's kind of what I want to see is your ability to change one thing on one page. Okay, so that is for both sides, but going back here, and again, so you'll just have in pages, one page that is showing all your posts, one page that is normal. You can get rid of this privacy policy if you want, and then check the project page to see what you need to do with your blogs. Okay, then back at the commerce site, this is where you have been given a lot of different pages. The only ones that you absolutely need to tab are home, shop, checkout, and cart. You can delete account, privacy policy, refunds, and returns if you want, or you can build those out if you want. And then this is where you add products, and those automatically show up on your shop page. So your products, you can kind of compare those to posts because you're adding them here and then they're going to show up on your shop page. And then again, you'll just have those pages to build out, and you'll find a way to work with custom CSS on one element, and add a Google font if that's what you want to change. Okay, that is going to be all for now. Again, some of those editing things will change depending on what theme you're using. So make sure to research your theme, research how to change certain things. And then if you absolutely can't figure it out, let me know or contact an expert. Y'all got this.